Hello everyone, welcome to the How to PC channel. Today I'd like to tell you about an awesome tool for collaborative development called codetogether. I want to tell you more about this tool and show how to use it. And first of all, let's open their official website. You can easily do it, just type in the search box code together. Here it is. And if you scroll down a bit, you'll see that this is a special tool for Visual Studio Code. You can easily install it too. So let's read more about this tool. Software engineering intelligence for smarter development. Transform your workflow with data-driven decisions that accelerate delivery and enhance quality. And on the right side, you can see a lot of graphs. And this is how the interface of this website looks like. And to start using this platform, you need to sign up. To do it, click on the Start Free Trial at the top right and create a new account. Let's try to do it. This is the information that you need to fill. First of all, your first name, your last name, of course, your email address, and company name. Oh, 5 required fields. Title. Okay, let's select director, for example, or another one. And now click on submit. And we look forward to connecting with you. And I've just received a message from codetogether. Thank you for getting in touch with us through our form. We've received your information and are excited to connect with you. Here's what you can expect next. My information should be verified and then I can log into my account. So go back, now go to the pricing tab right here, Teams for $8 per month, Enterprise Advanced for $48 per month, and Enterprise Custom. You can contact them and create your own plan for Teams, live collaboration services, host from Eclipse, VS Code, join from browser or your own IDE, end-to-end encryption, and code flow. And these are, of course, not all plans. There are also cheaper varieties. Just scroll down a bit. These 4 plans for developer and team collaborative platform. For example, free, you can easily use this service completely for free. And just below, you can see what you get for $0. Also, there is the Pro plan for $4 per month and Teams plan for $8 per month. And these are the prices here. Unfortunately, I'll not be able to show you my personal account, but we can click on Take a Tour right here. And this is how codetogether looks like. You can start tour and see what this service provides. Let's click on next. You can read more information about it. So I think that's all for today. You can subscribe to my channel and like this video if it was helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.